Perfect for processing smoothies, hot soups and frozen desserts. Quick and easy self-cleaning with a drop of dish soap and warm water. Just run on high for 30 seconds. Includes a vented lid and mini-tamper designed to help process food without touching the blades. BPA-free container. Fits nicely under most kitchen cabinets while on the machine. Stainless steel hammermill and cutting blades measuring 3 inches diameter to ensure a consistent blend every time. Designed to pulverize whole foods for smoothies, hot soups and frozen desserts. Compatibility: C-Series blenders, G-Series blenders. The 48-ounce container strikes a perfect balance between processing large recipes and fitting easily under most kitchen cabinets. Designed to pulverize whole foods for smoothies, hot soups and frozen desserts, the container is lightweight and accompanied by a mini-tamper to use when processing thick mixtures. Product specifications: dimensions, 10.25 inches, capacity, 48 ounces, blades, laser cut, stainless steel hammermill and cutting blades measuring 3-inch diameter to ensure a consistent blend every time. Material: BPA-free Eastman Tritan Copolyester. Care: quick and easy self-cleaning with a drop of dish soap and warm water. Just run on high for 30 seconds. Specially Designed Tamper. Use the included tamper to press thick and frozen mixtures toward the blades for faster, smoother blends. Top reviews from the United States. Great for smoothies for one person. As a single person who has a smoothie every day, this is a very useful container. People have bemoaned the hollow handle, but it hasn't affected my use of it at all. People have said the top is too hard to put on and take off, but I don't try to force it. All I do is put it on there tight enough so liquid doesn't come splashing out. This container has been a real game changer for me. I also do a lot of blending, mixing and chopping in my Vitamix, and it has always been a real pain to get everything out from the sides and the bottom, since the standard container was so deep. With this one, it's a lot shorter, so it can fit under my cabinets when it's sitting on the base. I can also now get down inside there with a standard scraper and get almost everything out, something that was almost impossible before. And it is just big enough to make the perfect size smoothie for me. All in all, this was a big win, a little pricey, as everything Vitamix is, but it is well worth the investment.